Hey everyone, Tiffany here, and today I want to give you my review of Cerave's Exfoliating Nightly Treatment. And I'll show you what it looks like coming out of the pump here. Now this treatment is different from other exfoliating treatments that you might use regularly with the little beads physically in there. This is a chemical exfoliation. So if it's your first time doing something like this, go easy the first few nights, see how your skin reacts. It's a low level percentage, so probably be okay. And Cerave is just a great brand for sensitive skin, fragrance free, paraben free, and I have never had an adverse reaction whatsoever, but I think everyone's skin is a little different. So just go cautiously the first few nights, the first week. I use this every night on my face, freshly washed, and then I'll put a moisturizer on afterwards. I find that it glides on really smoothly like a serum. It doesn't feel sticky afterwards. And I really find that it rejuvenates my face, kind of gives it a glow and kind of tamps down on any of those little age spots forming. And it helps minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, I take a break if I am going to be somewhere where it's extra sunny. If I'm going on a tropical vacation, I don't use this for 2 weeks or max 1 week before. And also, I don't use it in the heat of summer. I kind of do this fall, winter, spring, just because using this type of treatment can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, and none of us wants that. The active ingredients in this are glycolic acid, lactic acid, and ceramides. And the ceramides it uses are found naturally in the skin already, so just really helps maintain your skin's barrier and keeps moisture inside. Since I started using this treatment, I've just found that my skin feels a little brighter. And I'm already using the Cerave moisturizers anyhow, so it just fits right in with my nightly routine. If this video was helpful for you, give it a like and consider subscribing. I do all kinds of reviews right here on this channel. Stay positive, be kind, and I'll see you next time.